Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, I will be telling you how to fix Telegram code SMS problem step by step. So guys, what you have to do is just first, if you have already installed the Telegram app, you must have to remove it from the Play Store. So what you have to do, just I will be uninstalling it and I will be back once it's installed. Now you have to install it, and once it's installed, so guys, Telegram app has been installed, so make sure you don't open it right away. So what you have to do is go to your setting, mobile setting. Now on the top, you will see search. You have to type in search. In a search you have to type apps and click search, or you can, if you cannot find in the search, you have to find by this. Here you can see app management, so just tap on app management, and here you will see the app list. Click tap on app list, let it load the. So now what you have to do is you have to select Telegram, find the Telegram app. So tap on this. Now you will see three options: storage used, data usage details, battery usage. And furthermore, you will see manage notification permissions, display over the other apps, PIP. So now you have to click on this permissions. So once you will tap on permission, you will see that your call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, storage all are denied. What you have to do, one by one you have to enable, or you have to allow it. So I will be doing with you guys. Just tap on allow, make sure you allow everything. Now for location, that doesn't matter. Now microphone you have to allow, phone you have to allow, storage, and don't forget, sorry, I just forgot, you have to allow all the time location. Once you have done, now come back and tap on this open. So you have to tap on start messaging. Now I am telling you clearly that you must have to select your country. Make sure you don't add any zero number or something like that. So make sure you have to check your network, or you may restart your mobile, make flight mode on and off, and make sure the signal are strong. So for the number verification, for instance, I'm in India, so you must have to select the correct code. And now what you have to do is just wait. Now you have to just wait, okay, and just tap on next. Now you will receive or call option, like they will give you a code. You have to insert that code in your application. So you have to try. If it doesn't working, you have to try on another device. So I will be back once it's giving me the code. So what you have to do is that you have to put your email, and make sure you know your email password so that you can log in, because you will be getting verification in that email. So I will be waiting just for a few seconds on this. So you can see, let me write, my passcode is 6645 6645 and 5656. Now what you have to do, we have sent, even they will send the passcode on your number as well. Now you can see, finally this problem is solved. So what you have to do, for instance, if you are not getting, you have to wait. Other than waiting, you cannot do anything. And that's the video. Thank you so much.